Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a truly mind-bending hypothetical. What if, overnight, Earth's gravity was cut in half? Buckle up, because the implications are absolutely wild and would change everything we know about our planet, and even our relationship with the moon and the sun. Think about it. Gravity is the invisible force that keeps us glued to the ground, holds our atmosphere in place, and governs the orbits of celestial bodies. If it suddenly weakened by 50%, the world as we know it would be turned upside down. First off, let's talk about you and me. Instantly, you'd feel lighter. Significantly lighter. A person weighing 150 pounds would suddenly weigh just 75. Jumping would send you soaring much higher, and landing would feel like you're on the moon. Everyday tasks like walking could become a series of gentle bounces. Buildings and structures designed to withstand Earth's current gravitational pull would suddenly be under far less stress. But that doesn't mean they'd be safe in the long run. Now, let's get to the water. Our oceans are held down by gravity. Reduce that force by half, and the water would want to expand outwards. We'd likely see ocean levels rise in some areas initially due to this expansion, and the Earth's equatorial bulge, caused by rotation, would become more pronounced, potentially shifting where water accumulates. However, the long-term effect on water is far more dramatic. The reduced gravity would significantly lower the boiling point of water. This means water would evaporate much more easily. Coupled with a thinner atmosphere, which we'll get to in a second, vast amounts of water would turn into vapor, while some might fall back as rain initially. A significant portion could escape into the upper atmosphere and eventually be lost to space. Over time, our oceans would shrink, and more land would indeed be exposed, but it would be a much drier and less hospitable world. You wouldn't have new oceans forming in the heavens. Instead, we'd have water vapor and ice particles drifting away. And about that atmosphere, Earth's gravity is crucial for holding on to our atmospheric gases. With half the gravity, the atmosphere would become much thinner. Gases would have an easier time escaping into space. A thinner atmosphere means less protection from harmful solar radiation. We'd be bombarded by more ultraviolet and other forms of radiation, making the surface a much more dangerous place for life. Now, what about our lunar companion? The moon is held in orbit by Earth's gravity. If Earth's gravitational pull suddenly weakened by half, the moon would be less tightly bound to us. Its orbit would change. It would likely drift further away from Earth. This would have significant effects on our tides, which are primarily caused by the moon's gravity. Tides would become weaker and behave very differently. There's even a small chance, depending on the specifics, that the moon's trajectory could be altered in more unpredictable ways over long periods. In conclusion, a sudden halving of Earth's gravity would be a cataclysmic event. While the idea of lighter gravity might sound fun initially, the long-term consequences would be devastating for our planet and any life on it. We'd see our atmosphere thin, our oceans disappear, increased radiation from the sun, and a changing relationship with our moon. It's a stark reminder of just how finely tuned our universe is, and how crucial seemingly constant forces like gravity are for our existence. What do you guys think? What other crazy consequences might we see if Earth's gravity suddenly changed? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this mind-bending scenario, don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought experiments. Thanks for watching.